Welcome to my channel. How to connect Brostrend Wi-Fi Extender to your router. Step 1. Plug in the Brostrend extender. Insert your Brostrend Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your router and wait for the power light to turn solid. Step 2. Turn on the extender, press the power button if needed and allow the device to fully boot up. Step 3. Connect to the extender network. On your phone, laptop, or tablet, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Brostrend setup network. Step 4. Open a web browser. Launch Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser on your device. Step 5. Visit the setup page. Type 192.168.0.254 or brostrend.com in the browser address bar and press enter. Step 6. Log into the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the Brostrend setup process. Step 7. Select your home Wi-Fi network. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network name from the list of available networks. Step 8. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type your router's Wi-Fi password carefully and continue. Step 9. Finish the setup. Wait for the extender to connect to your router successfully. The Wi-Fi indicator light should become stable. Step 10. Move the extender to the best spot. Place the extender halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal for better coverage. Thanks for watching.